Hi, this is the Building Block here with a small mod of an official set and something a little more custom along with it. So this is set 60059 logging truck from back in 2014. This is actually my second copy I just picked up the other day. I've already modified the original, but looking at this, one of my big impression is I don't like the mismatched color on the hook. And I always get rid of the side view mirrors, and then there's this gap here at the back, and which just seems really off to me, so I worked to fix that too. And then on the back side, there is no space for a license plate. Now I believe in European, I believe they usually have it right there on the front, but America, license plates go on the back. So I did change that too. So this is the original Lego model, and then this is mine. So no side view mirrors, and I filled in that gap with just a simple green bar there, and you can see that the color is now gray and yellow, just nice simple color, very simplified. And license plate on the back, which doesn't have a number at the moment, but it'll be the number that matches the one in the front. So that is my updated logging truck, mostly the same. And this is my custom Unimog for my logging crew. So the chassis is actually based on 60083 snowplow truck from back in 2015. I really like the design of that one, and I used it to make just a hauler for the logging crew. As I mentioned in my previous haul video, I did buy a second logging truck for the spare parts. So the parts I needed are actually the rods here to support the logs, and then the roll bar on the top to protect the driver. Other than that, the design is mostly the same as the snowplow. We'll just turn it around here, and you can see it actually does still need a license plate there. And then as we get around, I did keep the attachment points there for tools for the logger as he goes out into the woods. Beyond that, it's a very simple, clean design. So what I'll do here is I'll just turn this sideways here, and there we go. And we'll just bring the other one in here. And that is the current status of my logging crew. There's another truck that I'm working on that I haven't finished yet, and hopefully maybe some more sets after that. But thank you for watching. If you like the content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.